For the second time in 5 days, residents of Port Maria, St. Mary were given a rare treat when a small dolphin washed up along the coast. On both occasions, the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, was called and the animals tested by a local vet. TVJ's Krista Campbell has more in this report.
Orcas or killer whales, sharks, and now dolphins. The marine creatures are becoming a regular attraction on Jamaican shores, and climate change is being blamed. On Friday, this small dolphin was the center of attention after it washed ashore in Port Maria, St. Mary. A rare treat for many residents and one they would have to pay good money to experience at beaches which offer interaction with dolphins as an attraction. But today, even the children got to enjoy the majestic mammal for free. Kenrick Ferron says it was the second time in less than a week he was being called in to catch a dolphin along the shores of Port Maria. He says another one of a similar size washed up in the area on Sunday.
We called NEPA. NEPA called Dolphin Cove, and they came and they dealt with him, with the dolphin. And we let him go back in the water about a mile out from the Cabarita Island. And he was okay.
Veterinarian Lisette Benitez says she treated the dolphin which washed up on Sunday.
She was sick, she didn't eat at all. As soon as we took the blood samples to our lab and tasted it, the results came that she was starving. She didn't have anything to eat for a long time. So we also take some gastric liquid from the stomach. Yes, and it shows also the same. It was too acid, and it didn't show any fish on it.
She says it was a similar situation with the dolphin that came to shore on Friday.
Maybe they are following the other ones, and because they don't find food, they get too tired, and then that's why they get stranded. We put some medications, we put some painkillers, we put some also antibiotics. We do a lot of medication in this one. Some of the people could see that he was moving, like he was trying to go away. But if we release him here, the strong currents will bring it back to the shore.
She says the dolphin found on Sunday had inflammation, while the one which washed ashore on Friday had a clear sign of injury on its mouth. But the vet says she will do more tests and send the results to the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.